Don't forget to subscribe from our channel and give a big thumbs up. Nice.
Where is Robin? We need to do a video. Barbie, have you seen her?
No.
Oh, there you are.
I was behind this.
You were hiding behind Barbie. We need to let Barbie out so she can go to Hawaii. She's going on vacation. She's going on the plane. So here's all of her accessories.
Yeah, but look at my cute hat.
And look at Robin's new hat. It's frozen with Elsa and Anna. And it was only like $3 at Target. Where did we buy Target? Where did we buy Barbie?
We bought her at Target.
We bought her at Target. So we are going to open this adventure Barbie.
And you can get another Barbie.
Yeah.
That has a guitar.
Here's another one that has a guitar, a cat, and different little accessories. So we are going to open. Oh, it's from Barbie Dreamhouse Adventures. Let's open it.
I know how to open this.
We need assistance.
We're back. Here. There it is. We'll take the stickers out. It's already
Let's see the
easy.
stickers.
It's easy to take the stickers out.
Okay.
Can I see the ticket? I want to see the ticket. Is the ticket on there? Yep, the ticket's on here. Let's take the ticket out just in case. Well, not right now. Let's get this out. How can you do it with one hand?
Watch me.
Oh my gosh.
Yep.
Let's get it out. Oh, we still can't get it out. The handle. Okay, now we can get it out. You can put anything in there. And look.
Can you pull the lever? Oh, look, see? All right, so let's take the Barbie out.
Don't cut her hair off. You just can move her feet.
Okay, hold on. We'll be right back. Hey guys, so here's Barbie and what's the dog's name?
What?
What's the dog's name?
Golden.
Okay, here's my puppy, Golden, and we're gonna go on vacation. We're going to Hawaii. But first, we need our accessories to go on this vacation. I need my vlogging camera and all those little accessories. So here we go. Let's get it.
I got all this stuff out.
You got my sleeping mask.
For you to sleep on the plane.
Yes.
And we got your luggage out.
Definitely need that.
But there's nothing inside in there.
Well, we need to put some stuff in there, like my sleeping mask, of course.
Okay, let's get it in there. Because it's so big.
Let's take a look at the sleeping mask. So, put it in there. Yes, thank you. And I need my vlogging camera,
Yeah,
so I
but
can take all these amazing pictures.
Of on the airports. You might need scissors.
Really?
Yes.
We'll be back.
Back, guys.
We're back. And we need to give Barbie all her accessories.
Wait, let's see if it fits on her.
Of course, she needs her pillow for her neck while she's on the airplane. She has her backpack on. Let's show the backpack. Has all these cool little stickers on there, and she can put her vlogging camera if she wanted. Let's see. She's taking pictures. Oh, I think it's upside down. Oh, look, I'm taking pictures of the beautiful, beautiful dolphins. Whoa, I see one. Beautiful. Okay, so we definitely need that.
Let's put her headphones on.
I need that for. Oh, I'm gonna listen to some calming music while I'm on the airplane.
Okay, let's put your toothbrush in your purse.
Of course, I need that. My toothbrush and my toothpaste. And we're gonna put that in the suitcase.
Okay, let's put all of these in the suitcase.
Yeah, I need my accessories in there.
Wait, good thing we got the face mask in there. This is like all pink. All pink. Almost all pink.
Wait, did I have my cell phone in there? I need it in my backpack.
Oh, okay.
No, in here.
Oh,
My cell phone.
there we go.
Okay, then we can put the rest in my suitcase.
Yeah, but where's your dog?
Very good question. He was just here. Wait, is he in the suitcase?
I don't know.
Let's open it. Oh, there he is. There's Golden. Golden, what are you doing in there, silly pup? Come on.
He likes chewing it.
He's chewing.
It's like.
Wait, no, Golden, we have to put that in the suitcase.
Okay, let's put it in a suitcase. The pillow fell out. Okay. We made your ticket, Barbie.
Oh no, I need my ticket. Hold on, I'll be right back. I have my ticket right here. See? I need to get on that plane. Wait, I need my suitcase.
I'll put it on for you.
Okay.
Wait, on the bottom.
Wait, don't put it on the bottom. Put it like on the top. There. Perfect.
Yeah, but wait. What if the suitcase can't open? Oh, the suitcase can open.
My Barbie pink suitcase. I love it. And I have some sunglasses.
Okay.
I'm ready to go on vacation to Hawaii. Let's go.
But where's your puppy? Is he in the suitcase
Oh
again?
no. Did he get in the suitcase again? Come on, Golden.
We just gotta fix this stuff in here because it got all messed up.
Well, that's gonna happen.
Okay, here you go.
Come on, Golden. Let's go on the airplane.
Let's go on the airplane. Let's go to Paris. I'll get it on. There you go.
Oh, there we go. Oh.
Get her whole hand in there.
You ready to go on the airplane, Barbie? Let's go.
Her hand just won't stay in there.
Golden is just playing on the floor. Oh, Barbie, you're so silly.
Wait, vlog! Ah!
It's in there. Oh, wait, it came out. Oh, what happened? The suitcase is not.
It's so cool though.
It doesn't close.
There.
Ooh, what do you think of this set, Robin?
It's so cool!
Yeah, now we just need an airplane. Or maybe she can just, drive to Hawaii. She can do that.
Yeah, but there's no airplane.
You don't need an airplane? You can drive there too. No, you definitely need an airplane.
We need to get one right now.
Oh. She has magic cars,
Cars.
Yeah, she has magical cars that can just.
Wait, I think.
Oh.
I think she bends her hand like that. She bends her hand like that. Hey, open up suitcase. Her log's in there. Like that.
Alrighty.
Then like this.
Ooh, we're gonna have fun with this playset. We're gonna go get your car and take her on an adventure. All right, tell everybody.
Thanks for watching. Bye. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye. I'm going on vacation.
Before you go on vacation, Barbie, tell everybody what they gotta do.
Subscribe to their channel. Subscribe to our channel and click the I and the bell. Bye.
Bye. And in the vlog.